Hello kids! Today we will learn cursive writing. Kids, do you know for cursive writing we need a sharp pencil and a dust-free eraser. For cursive writing we need to first understand curves, loops and strokes. So first of all we will practice curves. Kids, this is 4-line notebook. Upper red line is known as capital line. Kids, do you know why it is called capital line? Because all capital letters start from this line. And second line is called waistline. Now come to the third line. Third line is tail line because tails of all cursive letters starts from this line. Last line is base line as it gives base to all three lines. This is also called bottom line. Now we will start making curves. Put pencil on the third line and start making curves. Slanting, back, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. With the help of this curve, we can make letters C and D. Now come to the second curve. Again put your pencil on the third line and make C, then round, loop, round, loop, round, loop. Keep repeating like this. With the help of this curve, we can make letters A, O, G and Q. Now we will practice loops. We make loop like this. With the help of this loop, we can make letters E and I. Now we will practice upper loop. Slanting, down, up, down, up, down. Upper loop is made like this. With the help of this loop, we can make letter B, H, P, K, L. Now we will make lower loops like this. Lower loop is made like this. With the help of this loop, we can make letter J, G, Y, now come to strokes. Put your pencil in the middle of waistline and tail line and start stroke. Up, curve, down. Up, down. Then slanting. Curve, down, curve, up, down. Slanting. Like this. With the help of this stroke, we can make letters U, V, W, and Z. Now come to the second stroke. Again put your pencil in the middle of waistline and tail line. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Second stroke is made like this. With the help of this stroke, we can make letters N and M. Now come to the third stroke. Up, loop, curve, then back. Slanting, loop, curve, then back. Third stroke is made like this. This stroke is used for making letter S and R.